Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm internet on another device so you know the problem is Firefox. Restart Firefox, then reboot your router. This clears transient network glitches. Next, open a private window and load the same page. If it works, that points to cache or extensions. Once done, clear the browsing cache and cookies for that site because stale data often causes server-busy responses. Make sure to note whether the error appears only on one domain versus all sites to guide the next steps. Now address network resolution. Flush your DNS cache and renew the IP so your computer drops stale records, then try the page again. If the problem persists, change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8 to bypass ISP issues and speed lookups. Open Firefox settings and verify the proxy configuration. If it's set to use a proxy or system proxy, switch it to no proxy or use system settings, then restart the browser. Finish by refreshing Firefox to reset extensions and preferences while keeping bookmarks, or create a new profile for a clean test environment. This eliminates profile corruption as the cause. If the page still shows server busy, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall to verify they're not blocking the connection, then re-enable them. Finally, check the site's server status or contact the host. Sometimes the issue is remote. Troubleshooting tip: if multiple devices show the error, the problem is likely server-side, not your browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.